Greetings, Square users. This is the fourth VJ demo, VJ.exe that is. And in this one I'm going to show you how to prevent VJ from spreading two staves beyond a certain number of P4 scale steps. Let's clear out all the P14s that we added in earlier. So now all the P14s are 0, and let's get rid of that note. So we're just going to say boom, and now it's gone. All right, now let's do our little compression and then do a standard little VJ. Now let's expand it to 9.5 inches. So now, all right, everything is nice and evenly spread, and HS is at 9.5. But look at this piano staff. If this were a full score with notation, we would not want the piano part to be spread apart like this. It only needs to be spread apart by about 14 units in between, really, for it to look decent. And then, of course, we'll need additional space if there's graphics that require it. But other than that, it really shouldn't be spread farther than that. Well, the way that you do this for VJ.exe is you set the P15 to a value which is the point beyond which the expansion should not continue. So when VJ.exe is computing this minimum ideal space for the gaps, it will see that this staff shouldn't have any more than 14 P4 spaces, and it won't give it any more than that. And so it'll feed the balance back into the rest of the gaps, so that they end up taking up the additional spread, so that it ends up being at whatever HS you want it to be. All right, so the only thing we have set is P15 set to 14 on the bottom piano staff. So now let's VJ again. Nice little compression. And now let's set it to 9.5 as we did a second ago. And now look at the result. Here we got our nice little wide spacing. And then, oh look, the piano has not been spread apart as far as the others have, because we set the P15 to 14, which means there's 14 spaces in between here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And then the top staff line of the bottom staff now overlaps the bottom staff line of the upper staff. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So this is a very useful thing for keyboard parts, especially. And in the next demo, I'm going to show you how you can freeze spacing between two staves, where you decide, oh, I don't want it to be expanded at all. I don't want VJ to touch this whatsoever. I have this exactly where I want it. I don't want any additional space added or subtracted. Well, it would never subtract, it would only add. And I will show you that in the next demo. Thank you.